Guys, I wanted to jump on here to let you know that you can now enroll in our summer semester for the Mr. Bubbles Wash Academy. Now, these two classes that we're going to cover here, they're coming up at the end of July. So it's the last Wednesday of July, which is going to be the first class where we're going to talk about the different skill sets. Actually, it's 12 essential skill sets of the pressure washing business. We're going to break those down, what they are, and explain to you exactly how you can develop them. And then the second class is going to be the first Wednesday of August, which we're going to be talking about pricing psychology, break down exactly how you guys should be pricing. We're also going to do a really deep dive into commercial and residential pressure washing. But anyway, those are your two classes. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put up here for you guys my entire curriculum. You guys, what you guys are looking at, you see there where in the spring we did 4 classes. They were, we talked about G&B Mastermind, and then we did a marketing class, a sales mastery class, and then we ended it with a class which I called the 3% Club. That class was a breakdown on how you can become one of the best businesses in your area. Then you guys see there at the very bottom, you got your summer class. That's what we just talked about. And then on the right, you see the fall semester that's coming up. October and November. By the way, I will put the link for you guys to sign up, not just for the summer semester, but also for the fall semester here in the description of this video. I know a lot of you guys have emailed me about, you know, the spring semester, and you're like, oh man, I can't believe I missed out on that. I'm not going to miss out on the next one. Well, guys, this is your opportunity because I can only take on 25 students per class. This is going to be via Zoom. You don't need to physically go anywhere. And guess what, guys? In these classes, we're going to share with you the notes, which is usually about 8 to 12 pages of note. We'll send that to you in a Word document, also a PDF. And at the end of every class, we're now sending out a, what is that thing called? Like a checklist. Basically, it's homework for you guys to know exactly what the next actionable steps are. And then also, which is the best part, these classes, these Zoom classes, they're going to be recorded. So we'll be able to send you the link so you can watch it over and over and over again. And again, the 2 classes we're going to be doing, one at the end of July, which is going to be the 12 skill sets, and then one at the first week. They're both of these classes are on a Wednesday from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. And again, it's going to be the last week of July, the last Wednesday of July, and then the first Wednesday of August, the 12 essential skill sets of the pressure washing business and pricing psychology. And you guys go ahead and sign up for the fall semester as well, because spots are limited. Like I said, only 25. And the reason for that being, guys, is because I get a lot of questions and whatnot, and more people than that, it gets chaotic, and then the classes take way too long. But anyway, for all of you guys that are really, really trying to develop yourself and get to the next level, I highly recommend you sign up for these. As I tell you guys this all the time, everything that I've learned in my entire history here with Mr. Bubbles, I've learned through the process of elimination, meaning I had to get all of my no's out of the way in order to find my yes. Well, what I'm doing for you guys in these classes is I am cutting down your curve rate of learning, so you're not going to make as many mistakes as I did, because as you guys well know, mistakes, they cost you time, energy, effort, and also a lot of money. But anyway, hope to see you guys there. Again, the signups will be in the description of every video. And as I always say to you guys, the more you know, the more you'll grow. Anyway, hope to see you there. Bubbles out.